My dear technicians, you're welcome to my new video. This is Villaon V200, and the problem with this phone is that it's selecting battery. Since the Fullcom battery got damaged, the owner put a new battery, a different product, but it's selecting its battery temperature is too low. So that is the issue, and the phone will automatically shut down. So I want to show you the easiest way to work this phone so that I can start using all other batteries. So that I can start using universal batteries. Okay, so I'm going to show you the easiest method. So let's wait for the battery temperature message on the screen. So let's wait a little. It will soon come up. You can see. Can you see the message? So now let's open the phone. You can see I'm the first person to lose this phone. Can you see the seal? The seal is on the not there. So I'm the first person to open this phone because this is a brand new phone. So now let's open the phone. I'm opening the phone now, my dear technicians, because most of these Villaon product now they are operating like Nokia devices. They program them like the Nokia phones that do select battery. But in the case of the Nokia phones, it will not even come on at all. So now, today I want to show you the easiest method to solve this. Okay? So now, please be careful. Take it gently. When removing your PCB from the casing, be careful with it so that I don't get other component damaged. Okay? All right. So please follow me for more. Follow me. You can see this is Villaon V200. So what we are going to do, we are going to look for get a resistor. You can see this is at 2160. So this charging resistor close to the charging IC, this one is what we are going to use. Okay, so we are going to remove it now. Let me zoom it for you so that you can see it very well. So now I'm removing the resistor now. You can see I've removed it. So now I'm going to connect it to the battery connector. That is the ground and the BSI, which is the middle terminal. So now we're going to connect it now. But this is one method. If this does not work, we're going to use the second method. Okay. So let me use this first method because this method I use is mostly for ITEL and they work perfectly. So now let's use this for this phone, for this Villaon V200, if it will work. Because since there are different manufacturers, method for one might not work for the another. So now I'm soldering it now. Make sure you solder it very well. Okay. Make sure you solder it very well. You can see I'm done soldering. Can you see? I'm done soldering. So now let's couple the phone and let's test it if it will still show the error message or not. So now we're not going to couple it completely. We're just going to couple it halfway. So now let's put our battery. Let's put our battery now. So now let's put our battery now. So want to go. You can see the phone has come on. So now let's wait for like a few minutes if it will come on or not. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Please, let's wait patiently. Let's wait patiently. Can you see the message? It is still displaying the message. So now this method didn't work for this Villaon. Okay, it didn't work for this product at all. So now we are going to remove the battery and use the second method. Okay, please stay tuned to see the second method. Please watch this video to the end and please like, share, subscribe, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Okay, so now let's go to the second method now. We are removing the PCB again. Let's remove the PCB from the casing, and then we are going to remove the resistor now and then run the second method. Okay, my dear technicians, please note that the way this phone is programmed, it is programmed whereby the current coming from the battery is actually monitoring it. Okay, so now we are going to connect the ground and the BSI together. Can you see? We are connecting it directly without any resistor in between. So you can see, can you see I've connected it, and this is the second method. So now we're going to put our battery and test now, and I believe this will work. I believe this will work perfectly. Okay, I believe this will work perfectly. Let me put the battery again. Let's power on. Let's power on. Let's power on. Our connector is a bit faulty, so let's pull it out a little. So can you see it's powering on now? So now we're going to wait a little, and I'm sure it's no longer going to display. Can you see a call is even entering? So a call is still entering. Can you see? It's no longer going to display the error message. Okay, very sure, and this will work 100%. This will work 100%. Can you see? You see, just a little for us to know, for us to confirm that yes, this method works perfectly for this product. Can you see? It's no longer showing battery temperature. So now let's put on, but let's put back our screw. Let's put back our screw. The work is done perfectly now. Please like, share, subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Drop your thoughts in the comment section. Okay, drop your thoughts, and I'll be ready to respond to every one of you. Okay, so thanks for watching. See you again in my next video. Bye for now.